everyone, my name is Tywon Hubbard and I'm with H2Hubb, and we're here to do another unboxing video. And today we're actually going to unbox one of my favorite products. I use it all the time in my work. And the product is called H2Blue, and it is a titration reagent and is used to measure the dissolved concentration of hydrogen gas within water. And it's actually produced and manufactured by a company out in Las Vegas called H2 Sciences Inc. And they produce this and they ship it worldwide, and they're the manufacturers for H2Blue. And so with that being said, we just go ahead and open it up. I just received this package, and yeah, so we'll go ahead and open it up and see how it comes to your home. I went ahead and had them send me both of their sizes. They produce a 10 milliliter version and a little bit larger of a volume bottle. Let's take out the. Alrighty. So this is H2Blue. This is the actual 10 milliliter, and this one's the 30 milliliter bottle. We'll go ahead and take it out. They actually ship with instructions on how to use H2Blue and how to actually do a proper test when you're measuring the dissolved hydrogen concentration of your water. And then it ships with a stir, and this is used to lightly stir the test sample. And then you actually get a graduated beaker and the actual test reagent, H2Blue. So it is a pretty easy and effective tool for measuring dissolved hydrogen concentration in your water, and it's by far the most useful tool. Everyone should have H2Blue if you're drinking hydrogen-rich water, because understanding knowing the actual dissolved hydrogen concentration of your water is critical and very important to ensure you may receive the therapeutic benefits of molecular hydrogen. And as for this, the 30 milliliter bottle, I'll just show you it. It's a little bigger, and pretty much is 3 of these little bottles in one bottle. And so if you're going to be using H2Blue a lot and doing a lot of testing or demonstrations for people, or even for yourself, this would be the bottle I would recommend to get. So this is the unboxing video for H2Blue. And in the next video, we're actually going to do a demonstration of how to use H2Blue properly, because there's many ways to do the titration inaccurately or improperly, and we'll go ahead and show you how to do it properly in the actual test video. So we'll catch you next time at the H2Hubb.